Hi, I'm Melina. I'm from Lübeck and I work at Nice, and today I'm going to show you my Start Style Finish look. For today's look, we will start with the COLORVITALITY Shampoo for color retention. My model has colored hair and wants to keep that fresh shine from the salon visit. That's why I recommended starting with the color preserving shampoo at home. After washing the hair, we don't want to spend too much time on heat protection. I'm going to start with the Hot Flex Spray from THERMASHAPE. Just spray effortlessly on towel-dried hair, distribute well, and style as usual. Blow dry and then finish with the curling iron. After blow drying and styling, we now have the gorgeous Insta Beach Waves, and we will finish with HAIRSTAY's Anti-Humidity Seal. We have a light hold in the hair with a little shine, but not too much, and protection from frizz. Perfect! I hope you like my Start Style finish for the Nordic Beach Wave look with the light hold, a nice color protection, and heat protection in one.
Und Hitzeschutz in einem.